Guys, I only got back in the review. Today I'm doing a review on this animatronic beware sign. I got this today from that buyer's marketplace. It was $3. See, it's $6, but it was half off, so 3. It had dead batteries. That was it, but I put new batteries in it. And I like these because I get to put it back in the box when I want to. So yeah, I'm mostly going to keep it in my box. That's basically what it is to me. So yeah, I'm going to play it. So yeah, it's pretty neat. I don't have too much to say about it. It's just they're cheap. And I planned on, and I was gonna get Wacky Mule today, but this store wasn't open yet still, so gotta wait a little bit longer. But I'm getting them as soon as it opens. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty neat. See ya. Bye, guys.